Okay, let's now talk about YouTube's channel analytics and overall analytics a bit more in depth, because what people are doing wrong in their channel analytics are they're going to their channel analytics like that and watching how many watch time of views they got, or how many views they got, how many subscribers they got, what was their reach and each and every day, and they are scratching their heads why there is an up, why there is a down, why there are some things that are going well, why there are some things that are not going well, etc., etc. But what they're doing wrong is they do not understand that the metrics that you see in your analytics, in your channel analytics, is the combination of all metrics of each and every single video. Well, they know this, but they don't want to understand this. What do I mean by that is that what your videos are doing individually, that is what dictates the main channel analytics and main channel growth, meaning that you need to concentrate on each and every video separately and see how they are growing instead on fixating on your channel's growth overall. Because if your videos individually, every single video individually is doing well, then your channel in its entirety is doing well, and each and every video is fueling entire channel's growth. Concentrate on that. Think of this something like that. Do not think of channel analytics, oh, did I get many views today, why did I get less views, etc., etc. Concentrate on each and every single video, because when you go to the reach tab, for example, and go to the impression CTR, and you have like 7.6%, and one day you have 5.9%, another day you have 8.7%, you don't understand what's going on, right? You cannot work on this. When you see the growth trend, for example, I'm going to show you in the 90 days tab. When you see that it's actually stabilizing, and overall there is a growth trend of 17%. When you see the growth trend, you know that you are doing right. You're doing things right. You're doing something right. But you have no idea what you're doing right. You have no idea what is actually working, because you may have a channel that you may have dozens of different types of thumbnails or different thumbnails, and you have no idea which one actually works and which one is actually doing better than the others. But when you go to the separate videos individually, even with the least amount of views, from the least to the best, you might start understanding what is actually working. Plus, when you go to the other stuff, not just I'm not just talking about the CTR. I'm talking about any other thing. For example, average view duration. Why your average view duration is actually up, even though you see that there's a bunch of ups and downs, but that's actually because the views are going up and it's stabilizing. That's just stabilization right here. Why the average view duration is up? What is contributing to that? You have no idea, right? Because it just happens. You should be in control of stuff. More you are in control of the stuff like that, the better for you. And each and every video individually will help you do that. For example, let's open one of those videos. This is a video that has been recently uploaded. It has only 47 views, but around 6 hours of watch time, which is very good. It earned me 2 subscribers. If you go to the average retention, I got average video duration is 7 minutes, which is extremely good. 23% of the watch time, because the video is around 30 minutes. You see the real-time activity, etc., etc. So what do you see right here is that you see the gradual decrease in average view duration like that. You don't see a drop. You all don't mention in the beginning, because this is always what happens. Don't mention this drop right here in the first minute. It's in every video, because people usually don't know what kind of videos they are going for, and they usually just go and see and they drop, or this drop happens when people are doing the preview. I'm gonna show you what do I mean by that. If you go to the YouTube like that, when you hover over the video, sometimes it will just auto playing, like something like that. This is I think, I'm not sure about this because this is not a very old thing. I think this is counted as a view. And when you're scrolling this on your mobile, sometimes the video just starts playing without a sound, and this is counted as a view. And when people just keep scrolling, this thing just drops immediately. You understand that? That's why it drops that much. You need to start looking at this at around 1 minute mark, because yeah, if you're losing like 90% of the viewers lower than 1 minute mark, then you are doing the videos very wrong. That means that most likely your thumbnails are misleading, you are using a clickbait, and people are just not liking what you do. So this is 100% not what people are expecting. So you are making your expectations very wrong. So you should fix your thumbnails and titles if the drop of more than 80 or 90% is within the first minute. So this is what it means. So this is what we're trying to understand right now. If you go for the retention analysis, you see that people are just gradually dropping, and around 14% or maybe 17% are actually getting till the end. So this slope right here is a good slope. You may even think, oh, why 17% is going to the end till the end? It's good. Well, this is a 32-minute video, and when 17% is actually getting till the end, even though they're probably just skipping some stuff, because we have as low as maybe 9% here. If around 5 to 10% is going all the way to the end, this is good, especially for the really long videos. This is a good thing. So this means that this video is actually capturing those people's attention that are actually looking at the video. You may not see that there are a lot of views, but the watch time is pretty good for this amount of views. If you go to the reach, you see that there are not a lot of views because there are not a lot of impressions, because YouTube does not think that not a lot of people may be interested in this video. So when you compare it to the CTR, which is 8%, which is very good, again, anything between 2 to 10% is good. The higher, the better. I would highly suggest to aim to more than 5%, because that means that your channel will start growing rapidly. Aim for more than 5%. If you have less than 5%, start A/B testing. We're going to talk about A/B testing, or we already did in the other lecture, so we're going to talk about this later. But you see the CTR is good. If you go to the overall channel analytics, you see that channel impression is 7.4%. And this video has 8% CTR, meaning that this video is actually contributing in increase of the CTR. That means that this thumbnail is actually good enough. So you need to concentrate on something on thumbnails that looks around like this, or the theme is something like this. For example, if you are into gaming, if you know what Skyrim is, if you know what Elder Scrolls games is, you will recognize this logo. And that's why I use this logo. And that's why I use these colors, because this is an epic picture on the background and the logo on the foreground, and you immediately get interested. Plus, with the title, you understand what the video is all about, and then you're gonna go and watch it. If you understand what it is, then you're gonna watch it. If you don't understand what it is, you usually go in the video and just drop very, very soon. So that's okay. There is no problem with the drop. Then with the subscribers, you see that this video is generating subscribers. If you are generating any subscribers, this is already good. Any subscribers, if it's only just 2, already good. Concentrate on something like that. Then go on engagement. You see the view duration is pretty high. Pretty high. Overall watch time is very good. Like, it drops in an average. It's not below average. So this means this video is pretty good, and you can concentrate on creating the videos like that. Let's take a look at the other video now and see if there is something anything different. So this video right here, it generated 287 views and 21 hours of watch time. But this video has much lower average view duration, so 4.24. So in many cases, the people are not into what the video is all about. So is it because of the CTR? No, CTR is pretty good. Let's go and concentrate on other stuff. No, people are just, it's sometimes people are just not into the theme, or they expected something different coming to the video. You see that we have in this video we had a drop of immediate drop off to around 43% after 1 minute, while here we have around 33%. So this is drop is a bit more severe. So this is not what people were expecting. So maybe people were expecting a review type of video and they came up to the gameplay type of video, or maybe they expected some analysis and this is a completely different thing. So this is the thing that people were not expecting. So you might want to change the title or change something. I don't know, just work on the stuff, because in this case, the title is not saying that it is actually gameplay video. If I did part 1 or something like that, then people might be more understanding whether it's gameplay or not. If I had like number 1, like I have in this case, people understand. Many people would understand that it's actually a multi-part video, and they would expect whatever. They would expect exactly what it is. But in this case, I probably need to work on the titling, not on the thumbnail though, because thumbnail is good because it has around 8% of CTR. Plus, you need to concentrate on the other stuff as well. Like, for example, in this case, in reach is your traffic sources. You see, majority of the people are coming from the search. That means the people are actually searching this type of video. They're actually searching, actively searching for it, which is very interesting thing. That means that you might want to actually concentrate on this, because people are actually searching for it, because 92% is coming from the search, and you have what they're searching for. So you might want to concentrate on this. Plus, because it's coming from external is kinda like the search thing, because as you can see, majority of the views are coming from search, and weirdly enough from Facebook. So people are probably someone shared it, and that's why it's coming from external. So that means that search, you need to concentrate on search, and you need to create more videos about this one, because this might drive you a new traffic, new people from outside. In my case, it didn't generate any subscribers for me because my channel is not about this type of videos, but it is really, really good. Average view duration, yeah, need to concentrate more on titling to let people know exactly what it is. It might decrease my overall CTR or views, but it will increase my average view duration. But still, 4 minutes and 30 seconds is still very, very, very good. If I'll go to the overall channel, it's exactly my average channel duration, so it's not a problem. Let's see maybe another type of video, like this one. This is the very interesting thing. This is the very interesting thing that I want to concentrate on. This video has around the same low view duration, but as you can see, it has a lower CTR. And why is the thing? Well, the thing is because I am working on A/B testing of this video. The thumbnail has changed, and as you can see, that this is the day where the thumbnail has been changed. And as you can see, CTR went a bit up when the thumbnail has changed. And I need to concentrate on the CTR of this video. For example, if I will go and not change this since uploaded, but if I'll go for the custom, and I wanna say a video upload date, I don't remember when it was uploaded. Actually, it was uploaded on, let me just check the date, on 1st of April. So if I'll go right here, and I will go for the custom date, and I will go from the 1st of April, no, not January. If I'll go, the beginning will be 1st of April, and the next date will be, let's say, the 18th of April. I will know that this is the CTR 5.4% of the other thumbnail that I used. We're going to talk about this a bit later, but now I changed this thumbnail, and now it is different. So we're gonna work on this. So we're gonna work on this 100%. But let's watch one of the biggest videos of the channel, 12,000 views. As you can see, the views are going up and up and up and up and up. And if you'll see the curve, it's actually increasing in size. It's like killing everything on the average view, on average, because yeah, there is nothing closer to this average, like 900, like 1,000% more. Look, on average, I have like 39 views, but this video has 12,000 views. So yeah, it's completely different. Audience retention right here. This video is actually far shorter. It's like around 12 minutes long. But as you can see, video is dropping gradually. It's not like very steep drop. So meaning that people are actually watching this video on average and usually are getting whatever they want in the beginning of the video. And then other than that, they just ignore it. So this is very, very good curve that you need to take a look. And what you need to concentrate on an average view duration and audience retention, we're going to talk about this, of course, a bit later as well, is the cards. Where the people are dropping, you're going to put the cards on them. We're going to talk about this, of course, in the future videos. Right here, I'm going to put the rich tab. CTR, amazing. And weirdly enough, it is increasing because YouTube understands, as you can see from impression, YouTube understands what type of people want to watch this video. And then it is more and more better on the showing this to certain type of people. But because as you can see, as on the lowest it has 5.7%, but on the highest it has as much as 16%. And YouTube understands what type of people would want to watch this. You are giving this video time, and people are understanding more and more what this video is all about. So this is the things that you need to concentrate on in your analytics. Your each and every video individually, tiniest things, tiniest changes, you need to concentrate on those, because this is what will grow your channel. This will fuel the overall growth of the channel. You need to put fuel in your channel's growth, and each and every video individually is this fuel. So this will be it for this video. Let's go to the next one.